In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to plan your images on Squarespace. We'll start right at your Squarespace account dashboard. Once you're signed in, head to the main dashboard. From there, open your website so you're working directly on the site you want to update. In the left-hand menu, choose Website, then go into Pages. Under Main Navigation, select your home page so you can plan images where most visitors will see them first. Enter Page Editing Mode so the canvas becomes interactive. To create room for your visuals, add a new section to the page. Choose Add Section and pick a blank layout. A blank section gives you control over spacing and composition without pre-filled content. Click into that new section on the canvas to access its controls. Now add your first image area by selecting Add Block. In the block library, open the Essentials category and choose Image. This places an image block into your new section. Inside the image block, click the plus icon to add media. Squarespace gives you several reliable ways to bring in images. If the photo is on your phone, choose Upload from Mobile to send it straight in. If you need inspiration or placeholders, use Browse Stock Images and search for on-brand visuals. If your team already uploaded assets, pick Select from Library to reuse what's there and keep your site consistent. Or, upload directly from your computer with Upload File. After you choose your source and find the right image, select it to insert it into the block. Next, decide what should happen when someone clicks the image. Open the link settings for that image and enter your link destination. Squarespace offers a few link types to match your goal. Use URL to send visitors to another page or an external site. Use File if you want the image to open a downloadable PDF or similar asset. Choose Email to prompt a new message to your inbox, or Phone if you want mobile visitors to tap and call. Pick the option that best supports your user journey and confirm your choice. If you need to switch the image later, open the image controls again and choose Replace. You can always return to Edit to fine-tune details like cropping and focal point. With the image in place, move to the design controls for this block. Open the design panel to adjust layout, spacing, caption behavior, and how the image fits inside its frame. Aim for clear hierarchy. Generous margins help images breathe, and consistent aspect ratios make your page feel intentional. When you're happy with the layout, enhance movement with subtle animation. Open animation for the image, press the plus button to get started, and choose a trigger and effect that complement your brand. A gentle fade on scroll often feels polished without distracting from the content. Keep your animation timing short so the page remains fast and accessible. When your image, link, and style look right, save your changes. Exit the editor to see the page in preview mode and confirm everything behaves as expected. If something feels off, re-enter editing, click the image block, and tweak placement, link type, or design until it aligns with your plan. As you add more images, repeat the same flow. Create or select a section, add an image block, choose your source, set the link, refine design, and add subtle animation. This repeatable process keeps your visuals consistent and your workflow efficient. A few quick planning tips as you work. Prepare high-quality images optimized for web so pages load quickly. Use consistent dimensions across similar sections, and match your link choices to visitor intent. For instance, a portfolio thumbnail might link to a detailed project URL, while a promo graphic might open a file or a contact email. Save one more time when you're finished, and exit the editor. Back on the page, click any image block to adjust it later as your content evolves. With this approach, you'll plan, place, and polish your Squarespace images with confidence and consistency.